Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Aquarius, paunang mensahe po ninyo ay forgiveness. Napakaganda naman kasi you're choosing love. No? You're choosing love. Kasi willing na kayo ngayon mag-forgive, willing na kayo magpatawad, at maaaring kung kayo naman yung nangangailangan humingi ng tawad, maaaring handa na rin kayo para humingi ng tawad, no? Sabi dito, holding on to resentment and anger is preventing or even suffocating your spiritual growth. Resentment is one of the strongest and most damaging of human emotions. The act of forgiveness in its own right is equally incredibly powerful, and it has the capacity to heal and transform. That's very true. Kasi kapag nagpapatawad tayo, ginagawa natin yon hindi para sa kung sino man ang nakagawa ng mali sa atin, or kung sino man ang nakapagdulot ng lungkot or sama ng loob sa atin. But we are forgiving because we are doing a favor to ourselves, no? Na maging magaan na ang ating pakiramdam, makapag-heal na tayo, and eventually makapag-move on na, di ba? So what else? We have soul solitude. Panawagan ito sa inyo, Aquarius, na kailangan ninyo na magpahinga. Kailangan ninyo na mag-rejuvenate. Kailangan ninyo na mag-reflection time so that you can connect with your soul. You can connect with the divine universe. Connect with your intuition. Yung ganon. Because you really need time with that, no? With all of those na na-mention ko para maibalik din ninyo yung sarili ninyo sa sentro. So sabi dito, your soul needs attention. There are moments when it's important to get away, not just from the noise of the outside world, but to find a place where your soul can experience peace and quiet. A place for soul solitude. This is a time to pause, a time to reflect, a time for you, no? So this is me time, Aquarius, na kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. So we have hope. Sabi dito, your loved ones in the spirit world know when to reach out if they see you're at a low point. Whether you're caught up in a difficult situation or struggling with someone specific in your life, there is always hope. Okay? Yan ang lagi ninyo pong tatandaan. Lagi lang kayong umangkla sa pag-asa. Lagi lang kayong umasa na merong breakthrough, no? Merong solusyon sa mga problema, merong mga way out sa kahit anumang challenging situation na pinagdadaanan natin. Kapag when we always keep our hope, no, alive sa puso natin, mas magaan, no, ang nagiging journey natin kahit may mga problema tayo. Kasi yun ang nag-a-attract ng positivity, ng positive energy towards you. Kaya kahit may mga problema, magaan pa rin ang journey ninyo. Kahit may mga problema, kusang lumalapit, no, ang solusyon. Nahahanapan nyo agad ng solusyon. We have express your creativity. Thank you, angels, for helping me to express my inner creator. Siguro sa ngayon, may opportunity around you dito, Aquarius, na magbibigay ng pagkakataon sa inyo para ma-express ninyo yung inyong creativity. Magamit ninyo ang inyong talents, skills, and gifts, no? For some endeavor or a project, yung ganon. You are protected, no? Yan ang sabi sa inyo ni Archangel Michael. At ang prayer dito na pwede ninyong i-recite, thank you, Michael, for surrounding me with your protective light. Okay? So, you really have nothing to worry about, Aquarius. Wala kayong dapat na ikatakot, wala kayong dapat na ipag-worry about your safety, because there is, a message dito na nanggagaling from Archangel Michael na ikaw ay pinoprotektahan niya, no? He's putting his blue sapphire protective light around you, no? to keep you safe. Okay? Si Archangel Michael, by the way, parang siya yung leader ng army. Kumbaga, parang siya yung head, no, ng department, no, para sa protection and safety natin. So, tignan natin kung ano pa ang ganap. We have unconditional love from the Divine Mother. You are so blessed, you know, Aquarius. Siguro napakalapit ninyo, napakalakas ng inyong connection, no, with the divine universe and the rest of your spirit team. Sa ngayon, ang nagpaparamdam sa inyo is the Divine Mother. This is Mama Mary expressing her unconditional love sa inyo. Sabi dito, thank you Divine Mother for helping me to give and receive the love I deserve. So, yan ang prayer na maaari din ninyong idasal, ano? So, what else? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap dito for Aquarius. We have Queen of Earth. Ayan. So, dito naman sa Queen of Earth, this is a really beautiful energy. You know, this is very abundant and prosperous energy. At maaaring may mga opportunities and possibilities dito that will bring forth prosperity and abundance into your life, Aquarius. Okay? So, napakaganda. Maaari din na meron kayong mga meron kayong mga inaalagaan, hands-on na pag-aalaga. Kasi Queen of Earth is also a very nurturing energy. Kaya, hindi lang yung tao yung inaalagaan ninyo, and even siguro mga elements of the earth, diba? Siguro may mga alaga kayong mga halaman, may alaga kayong hayop, you're also taking care of the environment. So siguro mga ganon ang ganap ng iba sa inyo sa ngayon. So we have 5 of fire. Ayan. So siguro meron ditong conflict, no? Kayo with other people. Maaaring hindi kayo dito nag-agree, no, sa isang subject or sa pinag-uusapan, sa opinion, mga ganon. So, maaaring meron kayong kasagutan, may mga disagreement, maaaring may mga init ng ulo. Dito, may tensionadong sitwasyon siguro between you and another person, or between you or a group of people. So, yung conflict na to with other people could be a family situation or probably work situation. So, we have King of Air. Ayan. So, there is a reminder para sa iba sa inyo dito na speak your truth. No? Speak your truth. Speak your mind. Kumbaga, lagyan mo ng boses, lagyan mo ng put your thoughts into words, kumbaga, no? At sa ngayon, kasi maaaring iba sa inyo nahihirapan mag-express ng inyong sarili, nahihirapan mag-express ng inyong nararamdaman at ng laman ng inyong isipan. Kaya yun din ang panawagan sa inyo dito ni King of Air. So, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.